ABC. R1 equal to 2R2 equal to 3R3. Then B is to C equal to is asking. R1 means we know that delta by S minus A equal to 2 into R2 is delta by S minus B equal to 3 into delta by S minus C. So I can cancel delta, delta, delta in all the three. So it becomes 1 by S minus A equal to 2 by S minus B equal to 3 by S minus C. So all the three are equal. I assume I will take it as some k. So S minus A equal to 1 by k. S minus B equal to 2 by k obviously. So S minus C equal to 3 by k. If I add all the three, what do I get? 3s minus of A plus B plus C equal to 6 by k. So what I want to say is A plus B plus C is again 2s. 3s minus 2s is s equal to 6 by k. S equal to 6 by k. I need the ratio of B is to C. Means I need B, I need C. B is nothing but S minus B to this side, 2 by k to this side. S minus 2 by k is equal to 6 by k minus 2 by k is 4 by k. Similarly, C is equal to S minus 3 by k is nothing but 6 by k minus 3 by k is 3 by k. Now ratio of B and C, ratio of B is to C is nothing but 4 by k is to 3 by k. So k cancel, this is 4 is to 3. So my answer is first option, A 4 is to 3. R1 is delta by S minus A. R2 is delta by S minus B. R3 is delta by S minus C. Cancelling delta, I got 1 by S minus A equal to 2 by S minus B equal to 3 by S minus C. Yes, all the three are equal. I am assuming equal to some k. So this k to this side, S minus A to the side becomes S minus A equal to 1 by k, S minus B equal to 2 by k, S minus C equal to 3 by k. Adding all the three, S 3s minus of A plus B plus C equal to 6 by k. So S is equal to 3s, A plus B plus C is 2s. 3s minus 2s becomes S equal to 6 by k. I am substituting here. So B equal to S minus 2 by k. S is 6 by k. 6 minus 2, 4 by k. Like C is equal to S minus 3 by k. 3 minus 3, 3 by k. So B is to C is ratio of these two. 4 by k is to 3 by k becomes 4 is to 3. So our A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A equal to lambda BC. Then he is asking about lambda value. There are two ways of doing this. One is just expanding 100%. Another way is, this is A plus B plus C is 2s I can write. B plus C is 2s minus A I can write. Simplifying, I will get cos theta formula. So I am going for that. Here A plus B plus C, I am writing it as 2s. And B plus C is 2s minus A. 2s minus A becomes 2s minus 2a equal to, I have lambda into BC. If I take 2 common, so 2 into 2, 4 it becomes 4 into S minus A equal to lambda BC. Now BC to this side, 4 to that side. So S into S minus A by BC equal to lambda by 4. We know that root of S into S minus A by BC is cos A by 2. This is cos A by 2. So I will write cos A by 2. Root is not there, means cos square A by 2 equal to lambda by 4. So from this I can easily say that cos square A by 2 always cos theta lie between minus 1 to plus 1. But this is square is there. So cos square theta must lie between 0 and 1. So what I want to say is lambda by 4 must lie between 0 and 1. Lambda by 4 must lie between 0 and 1. So multiplying with 4, I will get 0 less than or equal to lambda less than or equal to 4. So lambda must lie between 0 and 4. So our lambda must lie between 0 and 4. So our option is C. Our option is C. In triangle ABC, A by tan A plus B by tan B plus C by tan C equal to is asking. Simple sum. First of all, small a you can write as 2r sin A. By tan A is again sin A by cos A. Plus this is 2r sin B. By tan B is sin B by cos B. Plus 2r sin C by sin C by cos C. So what happens is sin A cancel, sin B cancel, sin C cancel, cos A goes to numerator. If I take 2r common, this becomes cos A plus cos B plus cos C. This cos A goes to numerator because this is sin A by cos A. So becomes cos A plus cos B plus cos C. So we know that cos A plus cos B plus cos C value. What is cos A plus cos B plus cos C? 1 plus r by r. 1 plus small r by capital R. Now if I bring capital R inside, so becomes 2 into capital R plus capital R cancels small r. So 2 into r plus r. So our option is D. 2 into r plus r. Given in 2015. So simple, I am writing A is 2r sin A, B is 2r sin B, C is 2r sin C. And tan A sin A by cos A, sin B by cos B, tan sin C by cos C. Cancelling, becoming 2r into cos A plus cos B plus cos C. This we did in IP. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C is always 1 plus small r by capital R by applying transformations. So 2r into, if I bring r inside, 2 into 1 into r into r by r cancels small r. So 2 into capital R plus small r. Option D is our answer. In a triangle ABC, if the sides A, B, C are in GP, geometric progression, and the largest angle exceeds the smallest angle by 60 degrees, then cos B equal to dash. Is giving A, B, C are in GP means there is a common ratio between everything. Means GP condition is B square equal to AC. B square equal to AC. B square equal to AC gives you BC condition. And is asking about cos B, and the largest angle exceeds the smallest angle by 60 degrees. Keep this in mind. What is largest angle, what is smallest angle, and why is giving B square equal to AC. First of all, B is nothing but I can write 2r sin B equal to whole square equal to AC 2r sin C into 2r sin A into 2r sin C. A is 2r sin A, C is 2r sin C, B is 2r sin B. I am just writing the formula. Now square of this is 4r square sin square B equal to, it becomes 2r into 2r again 4r square sin A into sin C, sin A into sin C. Now what I want to say is r square gets cancelled, and I will cancel only 2 times of this with this 2 times. Now 2 sin square B equal to, what I got is 2 sin A sin C. How can I write 2 sin A sin C? 2 sin A sin C is cos, like 2 sin A sin B formula, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So I am writing cos A minus C minus cos A plus C. 2 sin A sin B formula, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B I am writing. Now 2 sin square B, how can I write? I can write 2 sin square B as 1 minus cos 2B, cos 2 theta formula. So 2 sin square B I am writing it as 1 minus cos 2B, or simply I will write as 2 sin square B, no problem. This sin square I can write 1 minus cos square because I need cos B. So better I will do that only. This is 2 into sin square B, I will write as 1 minus sin square B, I will write as 1 minus cos square B equal to cos A minus C. This is largest angle minus smallest angle is given as 60 degrees. So A minus C, I can write as 60 degrees simply, minus cos of A plus C. What is the value of cos of A plus C? A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. Means A plus C equal to 180 minus B. So instead of cos of A plus C, I can write 180 minus B. Now, if I open the brackets, 2 minus 2 cos square B equal to cos square 60 is 1 by 2 minus cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta becomes plus cos B. Now I will take LCM and 2 to this side, simplify. I will get cos B whatever is asking. Now 2 is LCM and 2 to this side. 2 2 ja 4 minus 2 2 ja 4 cos square B equal to 1 plus 2 cos B. Bringing all to one side, 4 cos square B plus 2 cos B plus 4 goes to the side, minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 equal to 0. Now cos B equal to, can't factorize, so I will go for formula, minus B plus or minus x equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. I will apply because it's a quadratic in cos. So I am finding x, cos B equal to minus B means minus 2 plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC. What is B square? B square means here 2 square, 4 minus 4AC, 4 4 ja 16, 3 ja 48, minus into minus plus 48 by 2A, 2 4 ja 8. So if I take 2 common in the numerator and cancel, this becomes minus 1 plus or minus root 52. I am taking 4 out of the root becomes 2. I am taking 2 common, means here 4 will go off, so root 13. 13 4 ja 52 by 2 4 times gets cancelled. So the final answer is minus 1 minus root 13 by 4 or minus 1 plus root 13 by 4. Which is correct option? Cos B, angle cannot be negative because see here cos B cannot be negative. So I am taking it as root 13 minus 1 by 4 as the angle. So cos B equal to root 13 minus 1 by 4. I am not taking minus root 13. Here I am taking only positive root 13 minus 1 by 4. Why? Because cos B cannot be negative. If it is negative, obtuse angle. He is saying largest angle is A. They are in GP. This is the highest or this should be the highest. This will be in the middle. So two obtuse angles cannot be there. So only one obtuse, either A or C. So B cannot be obtuse. That's why I am taking it as only positive root 13 minus 1 by 4. See, if angle A is 90, then cos inverse of R by R2 plus R3 equal to dash. We know that R2 plus R3, R minus R1 concept. R1 minus R equal to 4R sin square A by 2 and R2 plus R3 equal to 4R cos square A by 2. If you remember this, sum is over. So I will use this R2 plus R3 equal to 4R cos square A by 2 here. So cos inverse of R by 4R cos square A by 2 first. So R gets cancelled. He is giving angle A is 90 degrees. A by 2 is 45. Cos square 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So cos square 45 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. So gets cancelled for 2 times. Cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos becomes 1 by 2 is cos 60 degrees. So this must be equal to 60 degrees. So our option is C. Our option is C. We know that R1 minus R equal to 4R sin square A by 2. R2 plus R3 equal to 4R cos square A by 2 concept. Now cos inverse of R by R2 plus R3 I can write 4R cos square A by 2. Is giving A is 90 degrees. So 90 by 2, 45. Cos square 45. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Square of 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2. So 2 2 jar. Again cos inverse 1 by 2 I am getting. 1 by 2 is cos 60 degrees. So 60 degrees is in the inverse function, means 60 degrees should be in the limit 0 to pi. It is within the limit only, so cos inverse of cos 60 is 60 degrees. So our option is triangle ABC. Angle A is 90 degrees, B not equal to C, then B square plus C square by B square minus C square into sin of B minus C. Now in a triangle ABC is giving angle A is 90. First of all, this is angle A 90 degrees, this is B, this should be C. Now opposite to A is small a, opposite to B is small b, opposite to C is small c. So from this triangle we know Pythagoras theorem, A square equal to B square plus C square. First and foremost point in this to be noted is angle A 90 degrees, opposite to A is A, opposite to B is B, opposite to C is small c. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Means A square equal to B square plus C square. Now substitute in this, he is giving B square plus C square in the numerator. Can I write as A square by B square minus C square into sin of B minus C as is. Now this A is 2r sin A I can write. So I will write that only. 2r sin A whole square by B is 2r sin B. So I will write 2r sin B whole square minus 2r sin C whole square into sin of B minus C as this. Now this is equal to 2r square, 4r square sin square A by, if I take 4r square common here, this becomes sin square B minus sin square A. Sin square B minus sin square C is sin B plus C into sin B minus C formula. So I will write that sin of B plus C into sin of B minus C into this sin B minus C as this. So that this sin B minus C cancel. Sin 180 minus A this is. So sin A itself. So 1 sin A cancel. And 4r square cancel. So left out is simply sin A. What is A value is giving 90 degrees. Sin 90 value we know, that is 1. So our option is A square equal to B square plus C square from the Pythagoras theorem. So I am writing instead of B square plus C square A square. Now A is 2r sin A, B is 2r sin B, C is 2r sin C, and substituting. Now square 4r square sin square A. This is, if I take 4r square common, this is sin square B minus sin square C. Means sin B plus C into sin B minus C I am writing formula method. And sin B minus C gets cancelled. B plus C is 180 minus A. Sin 180 minus A is sin A itself. So the square and sin B plus C cancelling. So left out is 4r square cancel. Left out is only sin A. Sin A is 90 degrees. Sin 90 is 1. So our option is the sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Then the angles are in the ratio of this. This is given in MCET 2007 as well as JEE 2004. Same soon repeated in JEE and MCET. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 2, 3 is to 2. We know that sides A is to B is to C always equal to angle sin A is to sin B is to sin C. Then sum is over, simple sum. So this A is to B is to C is giving 1 is to root 3 is to 2 is equal to sin A is to sin B is to sin C we know. Now what I want to say is, if I divide by 2, so what happens? 1 by 2 is root 3 by 2 is to 2 by 2, 1 equal to sin A is to sin B is to sin C. Why I am dividing is, this is 1 by 2, no, I value 1 by 2 value I know in terms of sin. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 means angle A equal to 30 degrees. And sin 60 is root 3 by 2 means angle B equal to 60 degrees. And sin C 90 degrees, sin 90 is 1. So angle C is equal to 90 degrees. He is asking angle A is to angle B is to angle C. Means 30 is to 60 is to 90. 30 is to 60 is to 90 degrees. Means 31 ja, 32 ja, 33 ja. 1 is to 2 is to 3. So our option is A. After that, small a is to small b is to small c. Sides ratio always equal to sine of the angle. Sine a is to sine b is to sine c. Because a is 2 or sine b, 2 or sine b, 2 or sine c. I am cancelling 2 r. I am getting sine a is to sine b is to sine c. Now he is giving a is to b, c is 1 is to 3 is to 2. I am dividing by 2 so that I am getting values, angles in terms of sine. So 1 by 2 is sine 30. So angle A is 30, angle B is 60, angle C is 90, sine 91. So ratio of A is to B is to C is 30 is to 60 is to 90. So I am cancelling 31 ja, 32 ja, 33 ja, means 1 is to 2 is to 3. So our option is A. Such a simple sum they gave in MSET as well as JEE. The altitudes from A, B, C on opposite sides are in HP. Then sin A, sin B, sin C are in dash. Which progression? Altitudes means this is triangle ABC. Altitude is perpendicular. This is AD. Let it be P1. We know that area of triangle delta equal to base in half into base into height. So delta equal to half into base small a into height P1. So P1 equal to this 2 to this side 2 delta by A, like P2 equal to 2 delta by B, P3 equal to 2 delta by C. Now we are saying P1, P2, P3 are in HP. What is meant by HP? Harmonic progression. Means reciprocal of arithmetic progression. Reciprocal of arithmetic progression AP means 1 by P1, 1 by P2, 1 by P3 are in AP. That is 2 by P2 equal to 1 by P1 plus 1 by P3. This is HP. Reciprocal of AP is called as HP. So 2 by P2. P2 is 2 delta by A. If I write the reciprocal, it becomes 2A by 2 delta. This is 2. P2 is 2 delta by B. In place of this P2, if I write 2 delta by B, B goes to numerator. Like the same here also. 1 by P1 reciprocal. A by 2 delta. P3 C by 2 delta. Now taking 2 delta common and cancelling on all the sides, I will get 2B equal to A plus C. 2B equal to A plus C means ABC are in AB, arithmetic progression. ABC is nothing but sin A, sin B, sin C are only. Here B is 2R sin B equal to 2R sin A plus C is 2R sin C. And cancelling 2R on both sides, we will get 2 sin B equal to sin A plus sin C. Means sin A, sin B, sin C are in AP, arithmetic progression. Sin A, sin B, sin C are in AP, arithmetic progression condition. 2B equal to A plus C. So therefore they are in AP. Our option is B. Our option is B. Of triangle are sin alpha, cos alpha and root of 1 plus sin alpha, cos alpha. Then the greatest triangle is, there is a triangle like this ABC. Sides of triangle are given as sin alpha, cos alpha and root of 1 plus sin alpha into cos alpha. Like this 3 sides are given. You can take like anything. So this is small a only, this is small b only, this is small c only. So according to the given conditions, which is the greatest side? Greatest side is sin alpha, cos alpha and root of 1 plus sin alpha, cos alpha. So this is more than these two. So angle opposite to greatest side is greatest. Angle opposite to greatest side is greatest. So what I want to say is, this is the greatest angle. So I know how to find cos C. Cos C equal to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. That is A square. What is A square? Sin square alpha plus B square I know cos square alpha and C square I know minus of C square is 1 plus sin alpha cos alpha if I wrote in the brackets by root square is root cancelled and 1 plus sin alpha cos alpha by 2AB 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Now if I open the brackets, this is a cos sin square plus cos square 1 minus 1 minus sin alpha cos alpha by 2 sin alpha cos alpha. This 1 cancel and this is minus sin alpha cos alpha by my 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So 2 sin alpha cos alpha, sin alpha cos alpha cancel, this minus will be left out. So minus 1 by 2. So is equal to minus 1 by 2. When 2 cos becomes minus 1 by 2, cos 120 degrees. So our angle is 120 degrees, greatest angle, option C. Of 20 degrees. In triangle PQR, angle R equal to 90 degrees. If tan P by 2, tan Q by 2 are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then he is asking the conditions. Since angle R is 90 degrees in a triangle PQR, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. Now angle R is 90, goes to the side, 180 minus 90 becomes 90. So P plus Q is 90 degrees. If I take, I need P by 2, Q by 2. So I will divide by 2. So what I want to say is angle P by 2 plus angle Q by 2 equal to 45 degrees. Keep it aside. Now he is giving the tan P by 2, tan Q by 2 are the roots of this equation. We know that sum of the roots tan P by 2 plus tan Q by 2, sum of the roots equal to minus b by a, that is equal to minus b by a only, because given equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 only, and product of the roots tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 equal to c by a as it is. Now if I find tan of a plus b formula, means tan of p by 2 plus q by 2, tan of p by 2 plus q by 2 equal to, I know that tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, 1 minus tan a tan b. Now this value tan 45, p by 2 plus q by 2 is 45, so becomes tan 45 equal to tan p by 2 plus q by 2 value I know minus b by a, and 1 minus tan p by 2 into q by 2 is c by a. So this tan 45 1 equal to minus b by, if I take a LCM, this becomes a minus c, a gets cancelled. Now bringing this to this side becomes a minus c equal to minus b. Minus b to this side, c to that side becomes a plus b equal to c. So my option is a plus b equal to c is first option. It is giving angle R is 90 degrees. We know that p plus q plus R is 180. Now R goes to that side, 180 minus 90, 90 degrees. So P plus Q is 90. I am dividing by 2 because I need P by 2, Q by 2. So angle P by 2 plus angle Q by 2 equal to 45. Now sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus B by A. Product of the roots alpha into beta equal to C by A. Now I am going for tan of A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now P plus Q by 2 is 45. So tan 45 equal to tan P by 2 plus tan P by 2, I got minus B by A. 1 minus tan P by 2 into tan Q by 2 is C by A. Substituting and taking LCM simplifying, I got 1 equal to minus B by A minus C. By cross multiplication, A minus C equal to minus B. B to this side, C to the other side becomes A plus B equal to C.